Good morning once again in my class food production. Today we learn about the food presentations. Food presentations plating is as much important as the food taste. We eat our food by our eyes before we eat by our mouth. That what we believe, that is a human psychology. Just take an example. If a good chef like Sanjeev Kapoor, if he cook a food, a very good, a tasty, palatable food, or an other hands, if someone new chef cook a food like at your home, your mom. But what happens? The chef Sanjeev Kapoor, he cook a very good, a very tasty food, but a new chef, he cook okay food. But what happens? The new chef, he present a food in a very nice way, presentable way. In other hand, Sanjeev Kapoor, if he plate his food on the plate, like he put directly on the plates, what happens? What we do? We choose the food which the new chef cook. Maybe his food is not good in taste, but what happened? We see that food is very palatable, very presentable way. What we feel, we want to eat that food. What happens? Other hand, the same Sanjeev Kapoor food is very good in a taste, but his presentation is not good. He putting food like that only, so his food doesn't look good. So what happens? It's human psychology, our psychology. What we choose, a food which is not good in taste, but are good in look. So that's the importance of the food presentations. Before we eat from our mouth, we eat from our eyes. So presentation is very important in food productions. So today we talk about the food presentations. So before you cook a good food, you have to be a good presentation. You have to give up good presentations about your food. Today, before, what happens in a classical way, in an older way, what happens? This is a classical way we present the food. Just take this as a whole plate. This is a whole plate. Just take it is as a clock. So here's a 12, 9, 3 and 6. And what happens? In between 12 and 13, we put vegetables. And in between 3 to 6, what we put? We put a main dish like meat, mostly protein, meat dish or a main dish. In between 9 to 12, what we put? We put starch food like potato, pasta, rice. That is the classical way. In an older day, it is follow. In some hotel, it is still follow. The chef follow this rules. But in this rule, what happened? The food won't look good. So what happens? In a new form of plating, we call the free form plating. In that form, we try, all the chefs try to make their food very attractive, so customer feel good about their food. So first point is height. So what happens in the height? All the good chef, whenever you talk with the good chef, whenever you see on YouTube videos or whenever you see any articles, they always talk about the height. So how you make your food good, look good, so that is the height. So always try to make little height about your food. Like if you put chicken legs like this on the plate, but try to make little height. You put something under the chicken, or like any lettuce or any chicken piece, so make it little high. If you put any vegetables or any lettuce and anything, you just make it little height of that thing. So by the height, your food look good on plates. Second thing is colored and size of plates. Choose the right plate. Like what happened at our home, maybe our mom or anyone, sister cook good food. What happens, we use the ordinary plate, so it's not look good. So in a hotel, what we do, we choose a very good plate, any rectangular plate or any wooden plate or any stone plate. So that's why hotel food look good. So what happens, you have to choose a good color also. What happens if you choose a if you choose a white plate, if there is a white pasta, what happens, there is a no contrast. What happens, your pasta will not look nice in white plate. So the background of your food, when we click the picture of ourselves, what we see, we always look for the background, any trees or the snow. Same thing apply to your food also. There should be a good background, your background. So if you put white plates, white pasta, it won't look good. But if a white plate, you put a greenery things, the green comes very nice in the white plates. So that's why your size of the plates or the your color of the plate is very important in the food presentations. Next things is the quantity. Number 3 is the quantity. So what happens in our parts of the world or the country, what we believe, if we serve in a quantity, we serve in a large portion, people feel good, but maybe they feel good, but in a hotel we try to always serve a little portions to a customer or the guest, so it looks good. If you put like this rice to your customers, the plate looks very bad. It look very bad. So what happens, try your rice in a small portion, in any good shapes, try to give the shapes and put little small piece of your chickens or any meats, so it look good in a small portion. You have seen in every picture, there's everything, chickens, rice in a smaller portion, so it look good also. If you put rice like this to on the plate of the guest, it look very bad. So always serve smaller. Try to serve the smaller portions, so your food look very good. Next thing is the 4, color and contrast of food. What happens, this is a very important, color and contrast of food. Play with color. I mean, play with color. If your plate is white, the background comes white. So what happens, you play with food. So you take meat on the middles. So what happens, that is a brown in color. So what happened, white is your plate, brown is your meat. So you just use any sauces, like a red sauce or the green sauce, red sauce, yellow sauce or the green sauce, and try to put on the top any greenery. So there will be the few colors, like a 5 or 6 colors. So your food look very good on that things. Like white plates, your meat is brown, your sauces is yellow and red, and your on the top is the greenery. You put any herbs, so your plate looks very attractive. People wants to taste that food. So that is a very important thing. And number 5 point is use edible garnishes. When whatever you put, maybe some people use plastic flowers or any good things which maybe look good on the plates. But what happens if it's not edibles? Don't use. It's against the food law. So whatever the edible garnishes only we use on our plates. So it look good also, and we can eat also. And the number 6 point is try to make it simple. Whenever you have doubts or when you are in a hurry, so what happens, try to make it simple. So don't do extra things so your plate will look messy. So make it always, try to make your plate very simple, few colors, height, like that. So your food will look very good and very attractive. And I said in the early my class that as according to human psychology, people will eat first from their eyes before they eat from their tongue. So presentations is very important. So this is before in my class I introduced you about the hotels and the food production. This is just we start from the presentation, and I want all of you that you give me the feedback in your YouTube channels, or you have your WhatsApp groups also, that I want the feedback, and I want that what you want to learn, any topics. See, I'll teach everything about depend on my things what I want to teach, or according to a textbook syllabus. But I want that maybe few things you want to learn, few topics, or the few important things you want to learn, that from me or from other teachers. I just want to that you give the feedback, or you give that topics. So next class I will talk about that topic. It will be good. Whatever according to syllabus I am teaching that thing, but maybe you all wants to learn something extra or something new, you have questions, so you better ask in that YouTube comments or the WhatsApp group. So next class, depend on that things, I will just explain that things. And that's all for today, and thank you. See you in next class.